Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on configuring Cisco routers. In this video, it's going to be all about creating aliases to speed up your work. An alias is just a shortcut. So if you've worked on Cisco routers, you know different commands that are there for it. So this router doesn't have any configuration. It's just a basic configuration. I changed the host name. So you have to do show running, and you could hit the tab key to fill it up. But this is all that's there. There's nothing on it. No configuration, no nothing. Okay. So for example, you always have to type at least sh to get show, right? And then if you want to find the command, you hit the question mark after it. Okay. So what do I need to type for running? Let's see. So if I type the R, that's all. Those are the commands that start with R. So at least I need to type show RU, and actually you need to type show run, and then finally it fills it in, correct? But we can shorten this if we wanted to. And for example, if I wanted to do a show IP route, that's where I need to go. So let's configure this. So conf t, and the command is alias exec, since you want to run a command. And then what you do is you type in the alias you want for it. So I like to put SIR for show IP route. So you type SIR and the actual command that you want to run. So it's alias exec SIR show IP route. Okay. So now if I do SIR, I get a full show IP route. And the command line is very intuitive in that if I tab it out, it will fill it in for me. Okay. So now we go back in there. Another one that I like to do is alias exec, and I type in the word alias. And what is this for? This will be show run pipe section alias. So if I do an alias now, it shows me the commands that I have in here. And the reason I like to use this is because it speeds up my work. I don't have to keep typing long commands. And when you run these commands, you can actually pipe them as well. Let me build a few more and then show you what I mean. So alias exec, and I like to do show IP OSPF. And what this does is show IP OSPF. Let me create another one, alias exec SRE, and this one will be a show run with a pipe of SRE. And what this means is show, what you're doing is you're doing the section router EIGRP. That's what I like to do. So alias, oops, we need to spell alias exec and SRO, and this will be show run pipe S space RO, and this will be section router OSPF. So at the same time, I'm abbreviating the N, but this is what you'll see. And alias exec, and oops, alias exec SRB show run, and same thing, section router BGP. What else do I like to do here? Well, let's leave it at that. Okay. So we get exit, and now if I type alias, and here are all my aliases. Okay, so if I do an SRE, and I don't have anything, but this is a quick way to create shortcuts for you. And what you could just do is you take it, you copy it, and you put it onto whatever other router you have. There we go. Okay. So if we look at the drawing here, I00 and GI00 on both routers. So let's just do something real quick here. Show router EIGRP1, and we're going to add the network 0000. Okay. And since this is a brand new configuration, interface GI0, and we'll have to know shut IP address. Let's just do 10.1.1, 255.255.255.0. And that should bring us up. Exit from here. Configure router EIGRP. Network 0.0.0. And that just means every single interface will be running this. And IP address 10.1.1.2, 255.255.255.0, no shut. And hopefully with that command, our EIGRP neighbors will come up. And there we go. They both came up. And now we can use that nice little shortcut SRE. Oops, too many R's. SRE. And there we go. There's our router configuration. Okay. And one other one that we could add here that I like to use to save some typing space is alias exec. And we'll type SIE for IP, show IP EIGRP. Show IP EIGRP. Now what this does, it allows me to then add all the extra information at the end. So I only need to type SIE and then type something, the additional command. So if I type SIE and I do a question mark, it shows me all the commands that I have available for show IP EIGRP. So I could do, let me back it up so that you can see this in action. SIE top, and it shows me the topology. SIE interface, and it just saves so many keystrokes, and it's just a way to become faster and faster at configuring and troubleshooting Cisco routers. Now you could do aliases and shortcuts on Linux as well, so maybe that'll be another video that I do in the future, but I plan on doing more Cisco videos since I really enjoy networking, and that's pretty much most of what we do here is networking, and we tie it into cloud environments. Truly believe that if you do not know networking, it will be very difficult for you to be any good at cloud environments. Unless you're just a developer in the cloud environment, then that's your gig, that's your thing, that's your wheelhouse. But if you're going to be a solutions architect or somebody that does a lot of troubleshooting for infrastructure, networking, and security for cloud environments, you definitely need to know how to do networking and become real good at it so that you can offer the best solutions possible. In another video, I will show how you can design your cloud environment by using a simulator like this one, GNS3, but just to draw it out. And there's other ways to draw these out. There's Draw.io and a few other ones that are very good, like Lucid Charts. Well, this is it for this video. Just wanted to make a quick one and show you some shortcuts on how to become faster and faster when you are designing networks and troubleshooting networks as well.